Power of compounding. How much percentage of returns you can get if you are investing in mutual fund? You'd have heard about power of compounding, how fast your money can compound. Is it 3 times, 5 times, or 10 times, or 20 times, or 50 times in 10, 20, 30, 40 years? This is what you're going to see. I'm going to show you the stats which came in one of the leading mutual fund website called Cafe Mutual. I'm sharing the exact data what is available, and also I'm going to share about one of the oldest mutual fund which is still in rank almost 35 years. I'm going to reveal about that. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Sentru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Mutual Fund Plan, One Page Stock Market Plan, and Money Leaks. Today, I'm going to share about the interesting facts about power of compounding in mutual funds and how much it has got compounded in the last 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. And there is a data based on which we are just share, I'm just sharing. And this came in Cafe Mutual website. I thought this is very good to share, and everyone can understand how mutual funds can compound. Okay, let's go into the data first, and then I'll be sharing about all of this stuff. I shared this in the Facebook status, so that is what you're seeing now. So in 5 years, your money can compound by 2 times. Okay, in 15 years, maybe 8 times. In 25 years, 32 times, and in 50 years, just look at 1024 times. More you stay, better will be the return. Just remember, if you are around 25, if you're able to start something, and by 60, it's almost like 35 years. If you have been investing for 35 years, think how much amount you would have made. I'm just going to share an interesting fact about this because there has been a fund which is in the market for the last 35 years. I'm sharing about UTI Master Share Scheme. That is one of the first mutual fund which was launched in India by UTI Asset Management Company. And just remember this stat. You can come back and see how much it is there. I'm sharing about that fund which I posted in that status that I'll be sharing tomorrow, but in this video I'm going to share right now. So UTI Master Share Scheme has given about almost 16.15 percentage of returns since inception till now, almost like 35 years. And if you have been investing 500 rupees per month, so you would have invested 2,10,000 rupees, maybe 500, maybe a bigger amount in 86. And slowly as things were changing, right now 500 is like at least one biryani in Chennai or anywhere in India will cost you around 300, 400 rupees. Beros biryani costs 400 rupees, and a meal for two itself will be more than 500 rupees in some of the good hotels, right? But you are going to invest 500 rupees even today. So 35 years, 500 rupees per month, 2,10,000 rupees, and the worth is close to 75 lakhs. Say you pushed ahead and you started investing 1,000 rupees per month, and right now that your investment amount may be just 4 lakh 20,000 rupees, just double the 500 rupees, and amount also just double 1.5 crores. Is it not a bigger amount? 1,000 rupees per month for 35 years, 1.5 crores. From now, if you are watching and you're around 25 or 30, start investing for 30 plus years, 35 years. Okay, let's do that. Let's start doing that. And don't invest 1,000 rupees, it's a very small amount. In 86, it's a bigger amount. Right now, start focusing on investing 10 times or 20 times, 10,000 rupees per month, and in 35 years, you'll be getting a bigger corpus. Okay, so 10,000 rupees per month, and this is purely for your retirement. So 10,000 rupees per month for 35 years for your retirement will fetch you close to 15 crores. 15 crores. The value of 15 crores in 35 years may be around, it will come down by one fourth, still around 2 to 3 crores. This is a smaller investment. By now you should be able to start. As you grow, this amount can vary. Okay, so this is a smaller investment and the fund is growing only at 16%. So if you have been if the compounding returns has been around 20%, as in the case of, I did a video on power of compounding for 1 crore in 10 years, just look at, and that has given around 10 1 crore you can make if you're investing 20,000 rupees per month in 10 years. And the fund recommended, just go and check it out. And there is something called rule of 15% returns, almost this is going to get something like that. So the point is, if you are being consistent enough to invest a certain amount for a longer period of time, your money will keep compounding. Let me show you the power of compounding again. 5 years 2 times, 15 years 8 times for your kids education. This should be more than enough. 25 years to 30 years, 32 to 64 times. Think what do you need to do. And this is what is really really needed in case of you investing in anywhere, right? So this is, and I invested somewhere. If you are investing in gold, I invested 10 years ago in gold, and the total returns has been around just in the last 10 years is just around 10%. If that same amount has been invested in mutual funds, it would have been more than at least 15 to 20% returns, and that is what I missed it. But I know this is a different investment. Mutual fund equity is a different investment. Are you knowing all these things in investing? That is what is really really needed. Thank you so much for watching, and please share this video with your friend who has not invested in mutual funds and who is worried a lot about retirement. Thank you so much.